Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a horse. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line coming down to the left, angling down a bit further, rounding back up to the right, and a gentle bump underneath. For the ears, add a small leaf shape pointing up from here, and an upside down V shape on this side like so. Then, add a few zigzags in between for the tuft of the mane on its head. Out the back, draw a long line that curves down, turns to the right, and comes down like so. And from under the chin, a long, gentle S shape coming down for the neck and chest. For the front leg, another long, gentle S shape coming down, followed by a short straight line angling down to the left, a curved bottom, and a short straight line coming back up for a hook. Then, a short line coming up, a curve halfway up from there, and extend it all the way up to finish off the first leg. For the other front leg, let's draw it like the horse is holding it up. First, a big V-shaped line like so, a huff shape on the end, bending backwards a bit more, a short line up, a curve to the knee, and a curve back to the chest to finish off this leg. Next, extend the line from the chest on the other side of the leg for the belly, curving up like so. And for the hind leg, a gentle S shape coming down to the right, a huff shape like before at the bottom, a line coming out with a curve above, and this time a curve all the way up to this end here. And for the last leg, copy the hind leg slightly to the left. Next, draw the mane with a gentle S-shaped line coming out from behind the ear with a short curve back in. And repeat that a few more times, varying it slightly as it comes all the way down to the back. For the tail, another gentle S-shape going out to the right, a small curved V-shape at the tip, and a gentle S-shape back to the body like so. Finally, draw an oval-shaped dot on the head for an eye, a thin line coming down the forehead to give it some more detail, and two small curved lines up the front for its nose. And now you've got a horse! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.